So we've got some quite exciting news here at TTW Installations. As you probably know, we do a lot of CarPlay sort of upgrades on the generation of JLR. So obviously all the Jaguar range and the Range Rover range, but we've only been able to do up to a certain year base. But now I'm very happy to say that we can now offer a further CarPlay upgrades to the newer generation. So the Jaguar is now with a sort of a lot larger full touchscreen without the buttons on the side. We're now obviously be able to offer CarPlay for that. So this is an E Pace that we've got in here now. So we've just done the latest generation upgrade onto this, but we can also do it for the latest Jaguar XE, XF, XJ and F-Type now. But also we can do the full Land Rover range. So that includes obviously like the Velars, the latest generation Range Rover Sports, which are all available now to view on our Apple CarPlay website, which I will put the web address in the details below this on YouTube. But I just thought it was a great opportunity just to obviously just show everybody what this new interface is like now. So I will just quickly demonstrate for you. So as I said, we're in a Jaguar E Pace. So as you can see, this is the newer generation screen. Doesn't have any obviously buttons down the side. It's obviously just for reference. So now we can go, retains obviously what was here before within the Jaguar interface, but now we just have to press this particular button here. We hold that down and then now it will load into CarPlay. So this is obviously full touch screen in here. It's a very slick interface on this particular upgrade, very smooth. So now gives you that extra CarPlay that's not been possible in these newer generation Jaguar and Land Rover models now. So we're fully kitted out here at TTW Installations to be able to offer this service for you. The nice thing with this one, it still fully integrates. This one's obviously got the rear reversing, so you still get your dual screen, main screen there, and then also obviously with the parking sensor there, and then as soon as you come back out, it's straight out back into the CarPlay system. So if you've got a newer generation Jaguar or Land Rover, then please give us a call if you'd like this type of upgrade.